Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute, but today I'm super excited because I got this in the mail. So yeah, we're gonna do a little unboxing. I'm super excited. I'll talk about this in just a second. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Bibbidi Bobbidi box. It's a Disney subscription box. I've heard a lot about it, but I do subscription boxes, so I have BoxyCharm and Ipsy, and I've really enjoyed subscription boxes. But I decided I wanted to try a Disney one because if y'all don't know, I am obsessed with Disney, but like in a healthy way. I mean, my mom probably begs to differ, but I heard about this and I wanted to try it. So this one arrived today. I'm at my mom's house right now. I'm staying here until quarantine in my town is up. So I went to go to my apartment to pick it up today. But yeah, we're gonna unbox it. I got the wishes box, so that's the lowest one that you can get, and you can get 3 to 5 items. But I chose like to get less for like a higher value of the box. So this one runs for $49, but the packaging is super cute. Like, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I took it out of the plastic already, so let's go. Oh my god, okay. My brother kind of opened it already and I was like, no. Alright. So it opens up like that. I know there's a lot of like stuff in there. Okay. So once you open it up, whoa, you get this sheet, which is a packing, like the packing slip, but it does tell you what's in there. So I've seen other people unbox these, so I'm just gonna leave that for the very end. But it came like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, it's really hot right now. So the inside looks like that. It's a lot of light, as you can tell. Yes. So I did get 3 items. First, I got a little like sticker decal, I think it is. This is really pretty. Like a little sticker decal. But super cute. I don't know where I put this. Maybe my water bottle. Oh, this is so cute. She's just like Mulan. Oh, that's really cute. Okay. And then I got this. It's a keychain. Let me take it out. Oops. Oh my god, and it has Ariel seashell on it. That's really cute. So it looks like that. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, and I've been needing a new keychain. Perfect. And the last thing. Oh my god. Okay. So this is a Alex and Annie bracelet. Those are like top designer type that do bracelets, and I got one the last time I was at Disney in May with my best friend, but they gave me got me a Little Mermaid one, and it's so cute. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, so I did on the like when you when you sign up for the boxes, you can put your preferences, and so I put that my favorite princess was Ariel and Belle, and that I love mugs, ears, keychains, pins, like anything, and then like I put what my favorite colors were. So that's really cute, and I had just noticed that there was a little Ariel thing on it, on the keychain, so they actually did a really good job. And I think I'm gonna continue following with the subscription because it's awesome. And yeah, This video is going to be kind of short because I only got 3 items, but let's go ahead and jump into the packing slip. So it says that in the box, so you can read this before, but usually I read it after just because I wanted to be surprised. So it says that the bracelet runs for $49.99. Yeah. Expensive. What else? The keychain ran for $14.99, and then the little sticker thingy is $2.50, and so the full value of everything in this box was $67.48, and I only paid $49.99, I believe, for the box, but it was free shipping too. So that's awesome. I got like way more than what I paid for. But yeah, anyway, I think if y'all love Disney and just kind of want a special Disney surprise at the end of every month, or for every month, then I definitely think you should check it out. They usually have codes. I know they have one going right now, so you could subscribe for the May box. But yeah, with that being said, I will see y'all in my next video.